Alright, so I've been gone for just a little bit, and I wanted to clarify that I've been gone for this amount of time because I've been sick, and I didn't want to try to upload a video and record and edit while I was sick because it sounds incredibly weird. And this video didn't come out when I really wanted it to, but it's coming out now. And I really appreciate you guys being flexible with me. And I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to be doing Valorant content and R6 content very soon as well. Yeah, finding this thing off drop is going to be nearly impossible.
Hello?
Oh my god, dude, this thing is... Oh yeah. Bro, I don't know why I ever dissed this thing. This thing is amazing. What the... Did it... No, it's not. Shoot. Gotta find something quick. Please. That's not what I want. Please. Oh my god. Yes! Oh god, I love this game. Okay, so I think the trick to this challenge...
Go crazy! Ah, go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Go stupid! Ah, go crazy!
Wow. That was just disappointing for that guy. This is genuinely difficult because this shotgun is kind of terrible.
Wrong.
You have to hit every one of your shots. If you don't, then you're dead.
Oh, what?
What the? What the? Yeah, what the? What the?
Oh!
Is that it? That's it! Oh my god. My luck is impeccable.
Man, I'm dead. Try it!
Am I? Like what? Oh, sorry. What's good?
Hello there.
Bruh.
Get in. Like, bruh. What was that? That whole encounter was so bizarre. Dude, this game. I actually didn't know if that would work or not. What the?
Pow, right in the kitchen.
Stupid. Dude, that boy just got dunked on. I keep thinking, oh, nobody else is gonna be able to snipe me. But no, I'm always... Okay, we get it. Yeah, get him. What the?
Yeah, it's rewind time.